Welcome to Crypto Coin Reviews. My name is Dario, and today we're going to be covering Raiblocks, which as of today, it's actually not called Nano. What is it? What does it do? And is it going to moon? But before I do so, we post a brand new cryptocurrency review every day, and if you're new to the crypto business or already experienced, then subscribing might definitely be in your best interest. If there's something that we missed in today's video or there's something that you want to add, please definitely drop a comment down below. Over the past couple of hours, the market has just been bleeding dollars. However, one cryptocurrency stands above the rest, already seeing up to 40% returns. Nano is a cryptocurrency that solves the issues that most crypto coins have problems with, and that is scalability. Right now, currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are being used by the masses and are traded in such heavy volume that in recent months it has caused fees to go up and users have experienced slower transaction times due to network congestions. Now, if cryptocurrency aim to actually compete in a decentralized method of transferring value, it needs to be able to confirm transactions at a speed of 7,000 to 8,000 per second, like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express already do. So Nano just solves that problem. As you can see in this picture, this represents some of the most commonly known and used cryptocurrency today. As you can see, Bitcoin processes about 7 transactions per second, Dash 10, Ethereum 15, Litecoin 50, and Ripple 1500. However, all the way to the right, we see Nano processing over 7,000 transactions per second, removing the issue of scalability and solving the problem that most cryptocurrency have. What's different about Nano is that it uses a type of new technology called block lattice. Traditional blockchain technology uses a ledger to document each transaction, which is then processed and confirmed through a mining system solving mathematical equations, and then the person mining is actually rewarded with a brand new minted currency. Block lattice is a little bit different because each account on the Nano has its own blockchain called an account change, which then the users can modify, simultaneously updating the whole block lattice. Essentially, this removes the need for a blockchain that is congested with transaction times and builds on a decentralized system that is easy to scale. Essentially, every transaction has a send and receive node attached to it. So when someone sends me a Nano, this is the moment where the block lattice starts the first transaction, and when I receive it, my wallet actually sends a signature back to confirm that transaction. Every time a Nano is received, 2 transactions occur, and both the users update their own blockchain ledger. What's so attractive about running such system is that the cost is actually zero. Many people argue that users can actually flood the network with transactions since they are creating it for free. Now, because it is a proof of stake concept requiring some computational power to show ownership, if the network does get flooded, it will take a whole lot of power in order to be able to do so. So there's no real threat there because they will need to use up all their power. So what happens if an attacker wants to create dozens of nodes to move voting power and throw off the network? The way Nano handles this is by using a delegated proof-of-stake system to vote on which transactions are valid and which ones are not. The more Nano you hold, the higher your voting power is, essentially meaning you got some skin in the game, so you better make the right call. In other words, there will never be any double spending because there will always be a second node verifying the transaction to make sure it's the actual correct one. As you can see, Nano can be just as secure as Bitcoin and 1,000 times as fast, making it ideal for usability and scalability. Right now, Nano is trading at about $19 per token and a market cap of $4 billion. With its current rebranding strategy, we can definitely see this token to 2x or 3x itself once the market rebounds in the coming weeks. As its usability becomes more widely accepted and popular, we might actually see this coin give us 5 to 7 times our investments. If you have Nano or have the inside scoop or any additional information on Nano, please start a conversation down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Lastly, if you've liked this video and it has helped you understand Nano a little bit more, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, peace!